Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Kiss Love here again. Alright, today we got the package. The package is just this drawstring bag, and it's branded Kiss Love. Inside the bag we have the wig and the goodies. I got a pair of lashes, a pair of HD wig caps, a rat tail comb, a razor blade, a branded Kiss Love headband, this edge brush and comb, and they also send these iridescent like strands. And I want to add a little razzle-dazzle to your hair look. You could add these, a few of these to your wig, you know, it'll be nice and fun. And then I also got this clip. I always save these up. These are great when I'm curling my hair. This is the wig we're working with for today from Kiss Love Hair, guys. This is a beautiful 26-inch body wave wig. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this is 14A virgin human hair, by the way, on today's wig. So we're taking it back to basic. This is just a really nicely constructed lace closure. I know I've given you guys so much variety since the other day, but we're taking it back to basic today. And this is a beautifully customized lace closure wig. Everything is already done for you, hence, you know, that's the reason why it's wear and go. You literally can just slip this on and go. So if you're a beginner or somebody that cannot be bothered with styling your hair for too long, this wig is perfect for you. As I said, the knots on the lace are already bleached. It is looking super realistic, very natural, and I absolutely love that. No adhesive needed to go ahead and wrap this wig, so I love that. Inside of the wig looks like this. It's a standard construction. You know, there are loops here for your adjustable elastic band. This is what helps to make the wig glueless, because it keeps it very secure. And you also have adjustable bands in the back of the wig to make everything even more secure. So we love a beautifully constructed wig. I'm just attaching the elastic band on the inside. You can also adjust this to how you want it. So that's what I'm doing, because I love when my wigs are very secure on my head. You can also go ahead and adjust the bands in the back so everything fits really nice and snug. I usually like, you know, to do a nice crisscross vibe. That way, you know, it really stays on there. So that's how it looks. So yeah, now that I've shown you guys that, I'm gonna be sure you guys know the drill to put the direct link to this wig as well as the specifications in my description box. So please go ahead and check it out, and you know, the specific density, all that good stuff will be down below. So let's go ahead and slip this on. This is super snugged. By the way, guys, this is a medium cap. I always get a medium cap in my wigs. It's just the safest choice for me. Now let me tell you, this is how the wig looks straight, like right after I slip it on. This is super snugged. Let me do a shake test. Like, what? It's not shifting, it's not moving, it's so secure, and it's absolutely glueless. Absolutely glueless. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Nothing, no spray, nothing. It is immaculately done. No product, nothing is added to even camouflage this lace any further just yet. I feel like it's such, like, it's no baby hairs needed, by the way. Like, the parting, everything looks great. It's the ultimate slip on and go. I can't even lie. The only thing, you guys know me, is that I might just go in with my curling iron a bit. But if you want to keep the messy body wave look, you could. This is so cute. This is so cute. Like, this hair is really soft, by the way, very silky. Like, the only thing I really want to go in and do is like give the front some, you know, layers, get the top nice and flat, and that's about it, because everything looks stunning on this wig. Like, you guys see it for yourself. We're gonna go in and I'm just gonna get my wax stick and my hot comb. I'm gonna curl. Yeah, I'm gonna give the front some layers. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, everything looks so natural. The parting, everything. I don't need to touch anything in that department. They did a great job on the lace. I can't even lie.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
I couldn't help myself, so I still went ahead and curled the entire wig. But it's fine. I just, you know, switched up the looseness, the pattern of the curls, if anything. It's not that drastic, you know. So what I'm gonna do, just you know, cause I'm still gonna add a little bit of face powder at the very edge of the lace, just to make sure that everything is super camouflage and that absolutely, like, I cancel out anywhere that might be a little cast. It really doesn't have a lot of castiness, but you know, it's not even that much powder that I just applied. So now I'm just going to run my fingers through it. Oh yeah, layers make everything better. Jeez, it's perfect. It's perfect, Kiss Love. Perfect. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm not getting a lot of shedding either, just so you know. See, this is the vibe. Yes, classic body wave, nice and fluffy. It doesn't feel heavy. It looks really realistic. Like, girl, what more could you ask for? Let me know what you guys think. I 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Okay, no baby hairs, no swoops, none of that needed. Like, the thing look natural. Okay, it's a 10. But yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link in my description box, all the specifications, any deals, any discount code. check my description box for that. Shout out to Kislow here for another gorgeous wig. Oh my god, it's something about a classic body wave look that's just like mwah. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you found this informative. If you think it's a cute wig, if you think it's a realistic wig, a very, you think you could rock with this, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You guys know I specialize in giving you variety over here when it comes to the wig looks. Yeah, but yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, you know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile.